Big news for PMI ACP exam, Agile Certified Practitioner. On 8th of November, the PMI ACP exam will be updated. Now, what does that mean? And why is that happening? So first, let me get back to the second question. Basically, PMI continuously conduct extensive research, which they says that it ensures their professional certification, whatever the certifications are, that meet expectation of today complex environment. And because of this exact reason, they have actually updated PMP in 2021. They want to be relevant. Like when you are earning a PMI certification, it gives you the ability to meet the demand of project, product, and organization wide. PMI says that the new PMI ACP exam will be better testing the professionals on their experience and skills that agile practitioners and organization needed to successfully lead agile transformation, agile project, and other things. Now, this PMI ACP, it is going to offer you a distinct value. That is important because people were thinking PMI and PMP and ACP is the same. But now it is going to get more agile mindset and it will work more towards other agile methodology, giving more of a holistic approach. Now, when you get this certification, it will help you more. This certification that is being updated, it will also get Discipline Agile Scrum Masters certification incorporated into it, which we never had before. This is the first time we are happening. The DSSM, which is available, uh, it will not be going forward. As I see it, it will not be probably maybe not valid anymore, but that is along the line. But now they want to have flagships. That is the most important news. PMP is already a flagship. PGMP is the flagship. Program management, risk management is the flagship. ACP was continuously being targeted by CSM, PSM, SAFE. So they want to make it as a flagship. Important date when it is going to be updated on 8th of November. That will be a new exam. Now, of course, PMI is just like PMP and CAPM. They are making it more of a like authorized training provider instructor led program. People like me who are ATP instructor, they will be providing those training. The material will be provided to them. Like for example, I myself has inducted myself from the pre-training that from mid of September or October, they will start sharing the new training material, new exam content outline, which you haven't seen so that we can work into that and develop into that thing. So that's a very important thing. Now, if we talk about one other question which they discussed in, and I cannot show you a document because of the liability of PMI, but let me read it from there. In which way will the PMI ACP exam be different from agile content of PMP exam? A $1 million question. So basically, they are working into that as moving forward, the PMP exam is basically for candidates' ability to effectively lead projects that includes predictive, agile, hybrid, whatsoever, a combination of them. The person who will be doing both of them. And whereas ACP will go more into agile mindset and it will check more towards more approaches, not just from Scrum. Okay, so then ATP will be able to do that. And this it's a very important thing. The PMI says also that they have listened to the valued partner, what they are saying, and it will be updated. And like you can consider that from 2025, starting from 8th November, then 2025, ATP will be leading the PMI domain. So if you are preparing for PMI ACP exam, the bottom line is this for you. Either give exam before the first week of November or or give exam in the new content. If I were you, I would not even give an exam in the month of November, right? I would even wait for the exam to get disciplined, okay, and get more stable. Then we can work into that. For now, the ACP exam is more. given only in English language, but they plan to translate other language also. Another important thing, there will be no change into the price or the PDUs. They will remain 30 and the scoring will not be changed. And one of the interesting question, what is the difference between the current and new exam content outline? The current PMI exam content outline is based on 7 domains. Okay. The new exam content outline will be based more on 4 domain: mindset, leadership, product, and delivery. And new skills will also be there. And there are the like the exam eligibility criteria. It will not change that much, but you can. Bottom line is that you can take exam in current till 7 till 7th of November. This is September, October. You can do that. This is one of the most important thing that we can work into that way. I hope that makes sense to you, and this will help you in preparing for your PMI ACP exam. And like always, do subscribe it, share it with somebody who for whom it is important. And I am always there if you want anything. And of course, I will be offering this from 8th of November.